Hello guys! Today I'll show you how to fix Realtek RTL8723BE Wi-Fi adapter issues on Windows PCs, including error codes 10, 43, 45, 56, and 39 or general connection problems. Step 1. Power cycle. Shut down your PC and unplug the power cable for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Plug the PC back in, start it, and check the Wi-Fi. Step 2. Disable and enable adapter. Open Device Manager, then tap Network Adapters. Realtek RTL8723BE. Right-click. Disable device. Then enable device. Step 3. Run network commands in CMD. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the commands provided in the description, one by one. Netsh WinSock reset. Netsh INTIP reset, IP config/release. Restart your PC and test the connection. Step 4. Start WLAN autoconfig service. Open services, find WLAN autoconfig. Set it to automatic. Click Start, then restart the service. Step 5. Network reset. Go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then tap Advanced Network Settings. Network reset. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password. PC will restart automatically. Step 6. Install manufacturer driver. Open Device Manager. Network adapters. Realtek RTL8723BE. Update driver. Browse my computer. Let me pick. Select the driver that came with your PC, or try multiple if available. Restart and check Wi-Fi. Step 7. Reinstall network driver. Right-click. Uninstall device. Restart PC. Windows will reinstall the default driver. Reconnect to Wi-Fi using your password. Step 8. Reset your PC. Last option. Back up your data first. Go to Settings, Advanced Options, and then tap Delivery Optimization. Recovery. Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Then follow on-screen instructions. Set up your PC again and connect to Wi-Fi. Following one of these steps should fix your Realtek RTL8723BE Wi-Fi issues and error codes on Windows. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.